Hey guys, this is HP Color Laserjet Pro MFP 3302 FDW. This printer is high quality color laser in compact design. You can print fast two-sided printing, scan, copy and fax. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from your mobile device to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and mobile device are connected to the same network. Then what we need to do is to print the document. You go to your file or wherever you have the document on your mobile phone. Select my files, select documents. Then you go to the document and select the document you want to print out. Just gently tap on it, then select just once. Give the document time to open up. This document is 2 pages documents. Gently tap on it. Then go on top and select the 3 dots. Then select print. You will see this green app. Scroll down to select HP Color Laserjet Pro MFP 3302. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready and you will see a yellow icon to show you that the printer is ready. Now we want to print this document 1 copy. You scroll down and also want to print this double-sided. You select double-sided, long edge. Paper size 2 is A4 paper. Orientation is portrait. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, long edge. Another way to print document is for you to go to HP Smart App. This printer and mobile device are connected together using HP Smart App, and the printer is showing us ready. This is the printer here. Now to print your document, you scroll down and select print document from HP Smart App. It will ask you PDF or photo. Select PDF. Then you go to the file where you save the document. Gently tap on the document that you want to print out. This document is 2 pages document. Then you select print preview. The printer is showing us ready. Then you scroll down, select double-sided, long edge, and the paper type is A4. Orientation is automatic, or you can select portrait. Select more option. It gives you option for you to select the document. Make sure it's in document. Then you go back, then select print. Now this document is printing. Here we go. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. So this is how to print your document from your mobile device to this printer. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.